Hey there, hi there, boys and girls, as one YouTuber says. Hope y'all having a good day. October 22nd, 2022, Saturday. Back a few months ago, I put a video out about never ever plant this tree. Okay, world's fastest growing tree, shade tree. And it did. They grew fast. They're trash trees. You have to look back and find it. Palawanas, I think, is what their name are. So I put them out, and I kid you not, the stems on them were no bigger than a number 2 pencil. You know, those we had to use for tests at school. And they grew, and they grew, and they grew. And they become very, very brittle trees. Finally had to cut them down. At an exorbitant amount of money. I do not like to spend money. Okay, cut them down. Then 3 years later, I got a stump grinder in here. Had the stumps ground up. This is what's left. Now I know that somewhere about right here, there's going to be a hole. And this has dirt and wood chips in it. Now, me being the frugal, some people might say cheap person I am, my bride mainly the one telling me cheap, but anyway, I did not pay to have the stump grinder clean it up. I said, I'll do that. Well, as you see right here, my first attempt, I'll just burn all this stuff. Wrong, that didn't work. So this is how I, Jeff of the Eubankses, have come up with to take care of this. Now, I got old Blue out here today. Got carry all on Blue. I got 2 sawhorses and the bottom to an old bird cage. And it's got 1/2 inch opening wire in it. Hardware cloth, whatever you want to call it. So what I've been doing here is getting refuge, debris, whatever you want to call it. And I put it over here. I've been watching too many gold mining shows. All right, you just move it around like that a little bit. Then you move it out here. This is the trommel. Comes out the end of the trommel. Now to grant you, it's not 100% clean. And you might say, well, Jeff, that's labor intensive. What else do I have to do? Don't say work inside cleaning, honey. I saw that look over the camera. Okay, now if my bride will go around the lower side or somehow or another get to the lower side of our sifter. I'm the siftee, this is the sifter. Now she's walking, so let's hope she don't fall out here in the backyard. Look at what has come out from all that chewed up stuff. Folks, that's dirt. That's Georgia red clay, folks. At a cost of nothing. Well, except for the trees, and the cutting the trees down, then grinding the stumps. This is how I clean up from a stump grinding job. Very simple. And you might say, well, Jeff, I don't have a carry-all. You could park your wheelbarrow or cart down there. Now I do have a piece of plywood under here. I'm gonna try to, scoop up as much as I can. But I just thought this was just epic in ideas, especially for a redneck like me. What do y'all think? No, I do not want to do this for a living. I don't want to do what I'm doing for a living. But I gotta live. So here you go. I just thought I'd share this little tidbit how I clean up a stump grinding job. So, feel free to use this idea at any time. Bingo. Here on the farm, here on the ranch, here on the homestead. Jeff Eubanks, Eubanks Family Homestead. We're still hanging in there. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.